Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: x power 2 minus x power 3 minus 36 equal to 0. X power 2 minus x power 3 minus 9 plus 27 0. Now x power 2 x power 3 minus 9 minus 27 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus x power 3, this can be written as 3 power 2 minus 3 power 3 equal to 0. Now x square minus 3 square minus x cube minus 3 cube equal to 0. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. This one is going here. X plus 3 x minus 3 minus x plus 3 x square minus 3x plus 3 square equal to 0. Now we have x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here. We are going to take common out. X plus 3 open bracket x minus 3 minus x square minus 3x plus this is 9 equal to 0. Now x plus 3, this can be x minus 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. X plus 3, this is 4x minus x square, this is minus 12 equal to 0. Now x plus 3, this is can be written as minus x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is x plus 3 equal to 0. Other one is minus x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. This equation can be multiplied as minus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0 times x equal to minus 3. This is one value of x. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 12. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 1, this is 12 by 2 times of 1. X equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square is 16. This is 4 times of 12 is 48 by 2. X equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 by 2. Now x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 can be written as 16 times of 2 times of minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 4 plus or minus 16 into square root of 2 into square root of minus 1 by 2. Now x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 square root of 2 minus 1 is 8 by 2. X equal to 2 times 2 common out from this, so 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i by 2. This 2 cancels this, so we have x equal to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i, this is 1. X 2 equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2i, this is x 3 is 2 minus 2 square root of 2i. We have x equal to x1 equal to minus 3, x2 equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2i, x3 equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 2i. This is the value.